how you can remove this news and interest widget from your taskbar on your PC. Now, before we start, if you are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also, press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. Now, let's get started. So, as you can see right here, this is the news and your interest widget. Now, here you can see that you will have your news, you will have your other, World Cups and your games and so many other stuff. So if you want to remove this, what you need to do is you need to right click on your taskbar and there you will see taskbar settings. Just open it up, and after you open it up you will see the taskbar items. Now under there you will see the widget section. So just turn this widgets off, and here you will see that the widget is now gone. So if you want it back, you can just go to your taskbar again, go to taskbar settings, and just turn on widgets again, and you'll get your weathers and news and interest right here back. So it's that simple, guys. That is how you remove it. Thank you for watching. That is all for the video. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.